how acoustic performance and building accessibility impact occupant well-being. Welcome to Building Knowledge 101. Join us as we discuss how acoustic performance and building accessibility play a vital role in occupant well-being. The last part of occupant well-being relates to interior comfort, which includes acoustical performance and accessibility for all occupants. Each green building certification we've talked about so far has some aspect that relates to interior comfort regarding acoustic performance and accessibility. The intent of acoustic performance is to provide spaces that promote occupancy well-being by producing effective acoustic design. The building envelope for new construction should include sound transmission classes or ratings that measure how much sound is coming through the building from the exterior. We want to cut down on the amount of sound coming through, which is going to interfere with people's work environment, hospital environments, and educational learning environments. So we're focusing on STC, which is a sound transmission class of the building envelope. Acoustic fenestration minimizes the effect of building occupants' side exterior noise produced by road traffic, aircraft, flyovers, railroad, building service equipment. The makeup of glass can have a dramatic effect on the STC rating for the building envelope. Selecting a laminated glass in lieu of traditional insulated glass can contribute to higher STC performance. Going to triple glaze can improve it more, or using 2 layers of laminate glass can increase the STC performance. So looking at the triple glazed units with laminates, you can reach an STC of 0.50. Designing with universal accessibility in mind continues to be important in the building industry. Many product manufacturers include ADA compliance within their product lines. Examples include entrances with low sills, low thresholds, and operating force of the doors that don't exceed requirements of 5 to 8 pounds. That is all we have time for in this video. If you'd like to watch more of our 101 video series, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kawneer Company, Inc.